The upcoming Honor Magic 8 Pro has just leaked, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Live images from China show the phone in a stunning white color, revealing a sleek, premium finish that screams flagship. And trust me, what's under the hood might just make this one of 2025's most powerful smartphones. We've already seen the non-Pro Magic 8 in sky blue glaze last month. But this new leak gives us our best look yet at the Pro version: slim bezels, curved edges, and that signature Honor polish. From what we've heard, the display will feature LTPO AMOLED technology, super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and top-tier brightness for outdoor visibility. Inside, things get even crazier. The Magic 8 Pro is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, the absolute best silicon on Android right now. Honor is also adding its self-developed RF and energy efficiency chips, giving it better network performance and longer battery life. You'll be able to spec it with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Now let's talk cameras. The Magic 8 Pro packs a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultrawide, and a mind-blowing 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Plus, it's said to support 3D face recognition, giving it another edge in security and smart unlock features. But the real headline here is the battery. A massive 7,000 mAh battery inside a sleek flagship body. And it supports 120-watt wired charging along with wireless charging. That means you could get a full day's power in just minutes. Aside from this elegant white finish, the Magic 8 Pro is rumored to launch in black, gold, and blue, with both the regular and Pro models already surfacing online. An official launch in China seems just around the corner, possibly within the next few weeks. So what do you think? Can Honor pull off a comeback with this monster device? Would you pick the Magic 8 Pro over Samsung or Xiaomi's flagships? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech leaks and deep dives just like this one.